On behalf of Harris Health System and Thomas Street Health Center, I want to encourage everyone to go out and get an HIV test. It's easy. It takes 20 minutes for your test results to come back. The idea of getting someone tested is one, of course, to find out your stats, know as soon as you can if you're positive or not, because we want to get you into treatment, get you on care. The sooner we find out and the sooner we get you on medications, the better you're going to do. The prognosis for your life is so much better.
So people always ask me that question, why should I get tested for HIV if I don't have any symptoms? And something that everybody needs to know is that HIV could be asymptomatic. Actually, there are right now more than 1.1 million Americans living with HIV, and 1 out of every 7 people are not aware that they are HIV infected. Someone
can come in off the street and just get an HIV test. They don't have to be a patient. They don't have to do any eligibility. They walk in and say, I'd like to be tested. The nice thing about coming to us and having that test done, in the event that that test comes back positive, the process immediately starts with getting you into primary care.
You're gonna find out if you have HIV and you can get the treatment to extend your life, but you're gonna prevent the transmission of HIV to others in the community. A high number of people who have HIV and don't know they have HIV are actually responsible for the majority of newly infections every year. So not only are you protecting yourself, but you're protecting your loved ones and maybe others in the community. Ultimately, fear and stigma is gonna keep you away from the health care that you need. So if you're HIV positive and you don't seek treatment right away and then the virus progresses to an AIDS stage, it's said that you have lost already 10 years of your life by waiting that long to start care. I feel like everyone that we test for HIV in Harris Health System, we're helping them to save their own life. Even if they do come back with an HIV positive test result, the fact that we can connect them to the services they need immediately and have access to the medication that's going to reduce the viral load in their bloodstream, it's hugely impactful to prevent the progression from HIV to AIDS and eventually dying from complications related to AIDS.